Russian engineers have devised a new design for a tank gun barrel with a thickened multi-layered casing. The development enhances the barrel's protection against fragments, climatic influences, and reduces the risk of deformation during firing. The patent was registered in the FIPS database in January 2026. The submitted documents reveal that the prospective tank gun barrel features a two-section casing with a central spacer. The design includes screw-on attachments secured with stoppers and an additional section that ensures centering along the entire length of the barrel. The casing is proposed to be thickened, with a multi-layered structure. Several variants use armor-resistant steel and reinforcing materials, including Kevlar fiber. A small gap is left between the casing and the barrel for temperature stabilization. Currently, in combat conditions, the outer surface of the barrel is subjected to impacts from fragments, temperature fluctuations, and moisture exposure. Damage leads to microcracks and reduced accuracy. The new design reduces the risk of barrel bending, minimizes the impact of uneven heating, and extends the service life of the gun. Interestingly, the casing includes technological openings for installation and removal. The central spacer can be made detachable, from two half rings, to quickly replace damaged elements without completely disassembling the gun. This design addresses vulnerabilities in traditional barrels, which can suffer from thermal stress, impacts, or enemy fire leading to deformation or failure. By incorporating advanced materials, likely high-strength composites and armored layers, the casing distributes forces more evenly, making the barrel resistant to cracks, bends, and even direct hits from anti-tank munitions. Key capabilities of the T-90M's upgraded barrel include durability and unbreakability. The armored casing allows the barrel to withstand extreme conditions, such as repeated high-velocity firings or battlefield debris. Tests suggest it can endure impacts that would shatter conventional designs, reducing downtime for repairs and extending service life by up to 50%. This is particularly vital in prolonged conflicts, where sustained firepower is crucial. Improved accuracy and firepower. Paired with the T-90M's 2A46M 5125M smoothbore gun, the reinforced barrel supports firing advanced munitions like the 3BM60 SVIN ETS-2A PFSDS rounds or Reflex M anti-tank guided missiles. The spacer minimizes vibrations, enhancing precision at ranges exceeding 2,000 meters. This means the T-90M can engage targets with lethal accuracy while maintaining barrel integrity under rapid fire. Thermal management. The casing's multi-layered structure aids in heat dissipation, preventing warping during sustained operations. This allows for higher rates of fire without compromising performance, giving Russian crews a tactical edge in dynamic engagements. These enhancements are not just incremental, they represent a leap in tank gun technology, making the T-90M's barrel a standout feature that could redefine armored combat standards. Overall capabilities of the T-90M, a formidable main battle tank. The T-90M, often dubbed Proride, Breakthrough, is Russia's premier main battle tank, evolving from the T-90 series with lessons from real-world conflicts. Weighing around 48 tons, it combines mobility, protection, and lethality in a package that outperforms many Western counterparts in cost-effectiveness and adaptability. Armor and survivability. The T-90M boasts relict explosive reactive armor, ERA, across its hull and turret, capable of defeating tandem warheads and APFSDS rounds. Recent upgrades include variable cross-section armor in front of the turret ring, made from foamed aluminum with ceramic inclusions, which absorbs energy from impacts. Additional features like the Arena M Active Protection System, APS, intercept incoming threats, further boosting survivability. In urban or drone-heavy environments, anti-drone canopies with KONTAKT-1 era bricks provide layered defense. Firepower and electronics. Beyond the barrel, the tank's digital fire control system with automatic target tracking ensures rapid, accurate engagements. It can launch missiles through the gun tube, extending anti-armor reach to 5 kilometers. The V92S2F engine delivers 1,130 horsepower, enabling speeds up to 60 km per hour and excellent maneuverability on rough terrain. Adaptability and production. Despite sanctions, Russia has ramped up T-90M production, incorporating battlefield feedback for continuous improvements. This resilience highlights the tank's role in sustaining Russia's armored forces. From a pro-Russia viewpoint, the T-90M's upgrades exemplify the nation's engineering prowess and strategic foresight. Despite Western sanctions aimed at crippling its defense industry, Russia has not only maintained but accelerated tank production, delivering advanced systems like the T-90M in early 2026. This demonstrates self-reliance and innovation, turning challenges into opportunities for technological superiority. The nearly unbreakable barrel is a testament to Russian R&D, potentially outpacing NATO equivalents in durability and cost efficiency. In conflicts, the T-90M has proven its worth, with officials praising its performance in meeting ground forces needs. Unlike some Western tanks criticized for vulnerabilities, the T-90M's layered defenses and rapid upgrades ensure it remains a battlefield dominator. Moreover, these advancements bolster Russia's global influence, as allies seek its reliable, battle-tested technology. By focusing on practical enhancements like the armored casing, Russia prioritizes real-world effectiveness over hype, solidifying its position as a top armored power. In conclusion, the T-90M's new barrel and overall capabilities mark a pivotal moment in tank evolution, showcasing Russia's unyielding drive for military excellence. With these innovations, the T-90M stands ready to protect national interests and deter aggressors effectively.